Why do 90% of eerie stories begin with an old house? Let me tell you mine. I was alone in the house, scrolling through my phone, when I heard it, a soft rhythmic tapping from the basement. My house is old, and the only sounds I usually hear are the creaks of the floorboards. So this was different. Grabbing a flashlight, I went downstairs, each step making the house groan under my weight. The tapping grew louder, more insistent, until I reached the basement door. I hesitated before turning the handle, but curiosity got the better of me. The door creaked open, revealing a dark, empty room. The tapping had stopped. Just as I was about to turn back, I felt a cold breath on my neck and heard a whisper, "I've been waiting for you." I spun around, but there was nothing there. Then the basement door slammed shut behind me, trapping me in the darkness with the echo of that whisper still ringing in my ears. Have you ever felt truly